Tyler Hernandez. I'm a radar technician primarily. I work on the DASR radar. It's an air search radar, and mostly for air traffic control. It's pretty important, I would say. So it's pretty much how they track all the flights coming in or out of Pax River, basically. I've been an ET for my entire Navy career, which is since February of 2015. The ET rate's pretty important. We maintain a lot of their radar and their comm systems. I'd say there's ET elements in every facet of the Navy as it operates today. As I was growing up or anything, I wasn't really a tinker or anything, so I think the best thing about it was learning this new skill about how to troubleshoot and figure out a problem with electronics and then fix it and take the necessary means to fix it. I'm ET2 Tyler Hernandez and I'm a Pax Pro.